nice to have a guy who knows it. Excuse us a second.
Some of the newer cars.
That was funny though when I took
It's tough to see when you do ultimately open it up. It works out to a number from 21.
Yeah, man, he did kick with it.
It is electric start, thankfully. Electric start was an option.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they took that option.
Still got the leather belt on there. I like,
Yeah, the leather belt. Yeah, I tried to keep it, I don't want to. It's never going to be a show car, but I wanted to keep it as close as possible.
I mean, it is a show car.
Is this your car?
My name is Neil Benchel.
Neil, tell us about your tea.
Sure. Well, it's 1921 Depot Hack, and the Depot Hack body is one of about half a dozen different types. It is the basic Model T, but with just a different body than most others.
And how long you said it's been in your family?
Been in the family since the 60s. Unfortunately, back in the early 2000s, there was a fire, and we received it here in Illinois in 2007, and been rebuilding it ever since.
So you've been rebuilding the body from
The frame, everything had to be rebuilt. The fire really damaged everything. So obviously all the wiring had to be redone. The fenders, the metalwork all had to be redone. The wheels are wood spoke, so those had to be replaced. And of course the body was a wooden body as well, and we've been rebuilding that ever since.
Mm-hmm. So tell us about Devo Hack. Depot Hack.
The Depot Hack was used to transport people between the train depot and hotels. And it was typically used, obviously, where we have warmer weather, where it's a little open. But this ultimately turned into the forerunner, the station wagon. You know, we think of 1960s and station wagons with wood paneling, forward paneling. This is really where it started.
So this would be basic transportation from the railroad station to, say, a hotel.
Exactly. And back in the 1920s, Ford would typically sell 3 or 4 different body styles, and then would just sell the chassis, the frame, the engine, and the wheels, and allow other body makers who were making carriages for horse-drawn carriages who were going out of business in the 20s, they would then build bodies specifically to that. This is one example. This is from the York Body Company, and this was a body type, a Depot Hack body type that was not uncommon. The design, the plans that we received from this were actually plans that were taken directly from an original York body, so that when we rebuilt the body, it's actually pretty close to original. Obviously, we still need some doors to put on and some seats, but it's almost done in the end of the day. Pretty close to the original.
And how long have you been working on it?
I've been working on it since 2007, so 4 years, and this is the first year we've had it really roadable, right, you know, on the road, and then eventually we'll finish it up, and you'll see us a lot more on the road.
Well, thanks for talking with us tonight.
Thank you for your interest.
What are you going to do on here? Put seats?
I actually have well, here we'll put a bench seat, and then I have a gate that comes up. I haven't put the gate on yet. And then
Now, was this almost original frame?
frame.